Hello everyone. I would like to share my experience in Paramanand Ayurveda. It's almost been a month since I joined my treatment, and the experience was amazing. When I came here, my weight was around 105 kgs. Today I have lost around 9 kgs and my body feels a lot lighter. Apart from this, I had issues with joints, some inflammation and pain in my joints, and I got relieved of that as well. Also, I was coughing a lot, and doctors were unable to tell me that what is the problem. My lungs were clear, everything was fine. Still, I was getting these cough attacks every now and then. When I came here, I got the therapies and treatments, and due to that, today my coughing problem has been totally eradicated. I do not cough at all, and I'm feeling very good. I would like to share my experience in finding an authentic Panchakarma center. In the beginning, the idea was to find a Panchakarma center which is proper and authentic as per the procedures of Panchakarma. I saw a few videos on YouTube and found out that Panchakarma is a very ancient therapy that is done to relieve you of several chronic problems and for the general upkeep of your health. However, I saw that a lot of people were attracted to some few famous Ayurveda centers in Uttarakhand and the less known centers in Kerala. But I found them to be very costly, and few of them were not even authentic Panchakarma centers because they were not doing Snehan at all. So I did some research on my own and I found out that at least Snehan is a very important component if anyone wants to go for Panchakarma. Without that, if anybody is claiming that Panchakarma is being done, I don't think it is authentic because the process in itself would not be complete. So I found out that Paramanand Ayurveda has a very good team of experienced doctors, and the nurses were very good. The therapists were experienced, and it was a very life-changing experience because as the therapies went on and on, each day was like I was able to feel better and better, and at a very affordable cost. So I'm very thankful to Paramanand Ayurveda and the whole team for actually helping me in rejuvenating my body again and restoring it to its original form. And I feel a lot younger and I feel very light. It is something which is very hard to actually express in words, and I have a lot of gratitude and I really want to thank the team out here for helping me out. Thank you.